Hi Divas, here is a short video showing you how to list your items on Shoperatic.com. Go to My Account and select List Something, and this will bring you to the Product Manager page. Right here, we're going to leave this at Simple Product. If you are selling something virtual, like a consultation or a photo shoot or something that doesn't need to be shipped, you will select Virtual. If you are selling a spreadsheet or a downloadable item, you will select Downloadable. These two items will keep the website from charging your buyer shipping. If you are selling a dress or a product that needs to be shipped, don't do anything with this section. First, we're going to start with the photos. You click on this photo image, and then you will select your files. I already have these photos uploaded. I am going to select these two at one time just for the sake of time, and you can see that you can download them into your media library in multiples. It depends on how fast your internet is. And then you will go back to Upload Files, select the rest of the files that you need, and here we have uploaded them into our media library. As soon as this one is finished downloading, I will select my first photo, choose Image. I will click on this next image, select the next one. To add another image, I will click on this plus sign. And now I have all of my images downloaded. Now I'm going to start with my product title, and you want to have as much information as possible in this product title. So I will say Kate Spade, pink floral, sheath dress, new without tags, size 4. And for the price, I am going to put $70. Now if I want to add a sale price, I can say $55. I can even schedule my sale. So if I only want the sale to run from today until Sunday, I can do that. So this sale price will run for the scheduled time. I'm going to select categories. I'm going to select dresses. I'm going to select audition dresses and cocktail dresses. You want your categories to be specific, so you would not want this dress to show up in evening dresses or shoes or diva-owned hustles, but you also want it to cover all applicable categories. In tags, I can say Kate Spade, floral, sheath. I don't find tags to be that important. I think the most important thing in terms of editing text is that you have as much information as possible in the title, because that's what the search, the word search pulls from. In the short description, the most important thing that you can give is measurements. So off the top of my head, I would have my measurements written up ahead of time. So I'm going to say measurements taken flat. We find that's the best way. I will say bust, 14, waist, 15, hips, 17. These are not the real measurements. I'm just doing this for the sake of time. You might want to give shoulder to waist. Let's say 14, shoulder to hem. We'll say 30. These are all made-up measurements. I'm just trying to do this quickly for the sake of time. But bust, waist, hips, shoulder to waist, and shoulder to hem are really great measurements to give. I can say fully lined, back zip, back vent, any other information you think is relevant. If there are any defects, make sure that you put those in your short description. I like just putting everything in the short description because it pops up first, but you can also add information in this other description box. There is no need to do anything with inventory unless you have multiples of one dress. So if for some reason I had 3 of these dresses, I would make my stock quantity 3. The default will be 1. So if I'm selling something like candles or soaps, a product of which I have many, that's when I would change this stock quantity. But if you only have 1, it will automatically input 1. I will do a longer tutorial on how to modify shipping, but if you leave your shipping as is, it will bill your customer $8 for US shipping, $15 for Canadian shipping, and $20 for European shipping. Again, I will have another shorter tutorial specifically on how to modify your shipping amounts. Attributes are very important because it helps your item be searchable. So I am just going to add all of the attributes that I'm going to add. I like to do this all at first. Just add all of the attributes that you want to include. And you just select it and then click Add. So these are the attributes I'm going to do today. And this is Kate Spade. The color, I'm just going to select the dominant color, which I think is pink. And then I'm going to select floral. I'm going to select print graphic. It is like new, pre-owned. The hem length is above the knee or knee length, depending on your height. The size general is size small. Wait, I forgot to add regular sizes. There we go, that's important. Okay, the sleeve style is sleeveless. The style is sheath. And the regular size is a size 4. It could also fit a size 6. Great, so those are all my attributes. And these are things that buyers will be able to search for and find my item. I would also link other items that I have in this size. Right now I don't have those because this is a different account, but you would want to select similar items in your upsells and cross-sells. And there you go. I've input all the relevant information, and now I'm going to click Submit. My item has been successfully published in a second. We will see the listing. See, I have the regular price and the sale price. Here are my flat measurements and the relevant information. And this is just how the buyer would add my listing to their cart and check out. So now you know how to make a listing, and check back for other short videos on how to modify your shipping, and you are good to go.